Hello and welcome to London Luxury Candle Supply's YouTube channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own large urban candle. For this candle, you are going to need 369 grams of S100 wax. You're going to need 41 grams of fragrance. Today I'm going for lavender and chamomile. You're going to need your large urban vessel. Today I have chosen Seriously Purple. You are going to need one wick, and I've chosen an LCS 85, a wick stickum and a stiff wick. This candle is super easy to make. You're just going to grab your wick and insert it down into the centre of the bottom of the vessel and just press down lightly with 2 fingers. You're then going to get your wax. This wax has already been heated up to 63 degrees, and then we've added our fragrance and given it a good stir for a minute. We're going to very slowly pour this wax into our vessel. The reason we like to pour nice and slow is so that we can avoid any kind of sinkholes or any air bubbles once the wax has set. So once that has been poured in, we are then going to secure our wick in place using one of our stiff wicks. So we're just going to pop that on like so. Make sure the wick is in the centre for a nice even burn. And there we go. There's nothing left to do now than to let our candle set for a good 24 hours. Now 24 hours has passed, there really is nothing else left to do other than to trim our wick and let it burn.